All right, good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand with Sel. But on Porcupine Stand, like we know, we talk about Asante Kotoko news and it's all about Asante Kotoko. It's nice to see I need to break it down somehow the course of our Asante Kotoko, the amount, training grounds, injury issues, preparation for matches, transfer, which we all know is getting closer. And when we talk about transfers, we are talking about the exits and the comings. Ọmọ mbɛba ɛne ɔmbɛkɔ ne nyinaa yɛbɔ ahoɔden bɔ ne bɛdɛ ɛde ba abɛsom mo ɛnura meka kyerɛ m sɛ youth team nkɔmɔ no maame fɛ no nhyɛ aseɛ but before I move on to that don't forget to subscribe to the channel na yɛdwumadie no ɛntumi nkɔ n'anim subscribe to this channel and I have another channel which talks about foreign football and everything about Ghana football outside Kotoko nti ɛno yɛ SOTV football. SOTV football. Go and subscribe to that channel. Na enjoy and your man also koso about that channel. No, na Yankee Kamboom na you move forward. Now, let's start it off from the youth team. The youth team NSUA training. The training section continues. And that is what I had. And for now, no, the news is almost starting about friendly matches, no. In command, you know, BBR said the table, no, so that was what I was told from my sources within. Say team no kra no munya nkambo mufua na omunya anya paperwork for the players. Nti e dey na kasa Asante Kotoko youth team obo for any match. Justify na guys near. They've already screened it and 50 players no more so omu wi a na omawie. Omu yombe paperwork, ombe registration and some other things are follow. So it's still the training and it's still the screening, you know. And the Gusua Air Koso and we take Coach Wilson Asari in an interview with Asante Kotoko media can say and Mrantiano on Beshomo for some time. So they are still watching them, and that is the news Kutamia Medema from Asante Kotoko youth team. Bibiasa, we give you the update. You know us here on Porcupine Stand say we get you the news when it comes to Asante Kotoko. So yeah, can't youth team won some Nyanya Kotoko training, no. Maybe I'm about transfer. But let me do this because and come stories on into my befi. Again, yes, our brothers in the blogging world, we got any YouTubers, bloggers. Yes, Sika Akono is not coming to Kotoko. And then surprisingly, on one platform, me pon ejuma ebedru fie no. I left my phone. Me left me down or studio has say so. Me buy na on 3 different platforms. I've been tagged. I now draw at Silver the Sika Akono coming to Kotoko. I tried explaining to them there. Therefore, the way I never be no one on one platform, I decided not to comment, but to make a call because Kotoko supporters need no info power. Don't get me wrong. There are some of the Kotoko fans, they have info because they are closer to key people of Kotoko. So when pisa question be your platform, this is I know anya fast. Anya will checks one here. Now odwin say wona ayese wo bet wo de wo fa ne say Kotoko say mu nimpa but one here will be no na wait. So I made some calls and one man was like wo bet na say nre ya na edi nkoma am dey ato anim say ogun is staying there then and obebi sam say Sika Akono is coming. So kind of question that is coming no I know what thing. So I just have to go back and try and see if I can get to the bottom of it. So once again, let me state it here that it has also been confirmed again to me that Sika Akono is not coming to Kotoko. There is no negotiations on the table. I repeat, Bibian's sign. It's a sign because Ogum will not be fired. Mesa can be Ogum will not be fired. And it looks like Ogum, after getting the second chance and a kind of fatal, you can see any love or mashono, Ogum will not also resign from Asante Kotoko. He will continue next season. Inti Kotoko ni si kendi nkomo. Besna Kobi mensa there. Mabe clarify say Kotoko ni di nkomo, and he's also not coming on board. But there can be changes after the season ends, but not Coach Ogum. Keep it, not Coach Ogum, because ABI youth team let's start year now was Nasare and Moro youth team now. I have one assistant coach for Asante Kotoko, which is Coach Efeno, a year David Oklu. So maybe I'm saying maybe Mr. Chusume words carefully or platform you so because send your magic at 2 months much or don't. We try as much as possible say accuracy no maybe ever 80% ye nipa stories ni bu source be my service form but we try to manage it. So he's also not coming, but assistant coach maybe can join Kotoko when these other coaches are moving to the youth team. Let's move on to Kotoko training before I come to transfers. Now, update I'm now Lamte still and starting full trading with Asante Kotoko. But Michael Che Damna I full training and Che Damna, we believe in you. We are wishing you all the best for recovery. But I never hear Juma. Maka same is I watched a Kotoko game against Wafa recently. Now, my audience is saying about him, team men when Che Damna. So there are players I would want to see them next season. Now my head here. Good. But Henry Ansu, I'm back training. I'll say Ansu pra and the difficult aspect is got connects game of Bobrikum Chelsea. And ka ebe dese Henry Ansu jine chire hobi. Oh, jine chire hobi no boy because in a former club. Kalu Watara na last season. Got connect Brekum Chelsea almost share 3-0, share 2 goals no. Nti Kalu you owe Asante Kotoko support say you could Brekum abesi form. But Henry Ansu is not fit. Wamba training, and that is what I can give you from the training session of Asante Kotoko and recovery course of Adakwe Jache. Now, let's come to other news. Na yambonito na as in some Phoebe. Now, yes, a story in my head that Asabe so updates we have account me Dave Tarehon. One, Mukwala to extend his contract, himself it's going to be difficult for Asante Kotoko to extend the contract of Steve Mukwala. Judges in fake, they might catch us say, they don't want to terminate in contract to create any issue. Season and contract every in fake call. Moise Poite, from what I've been told, is signing a 2-year contract at Asante Kotoko. And clearly, Kotoko is extending the contract, I'm on a bench there, and look likely. So yes, not apart from so bench, in the opportunities that Kotoko it looks like Benifo were not extremely impressed whether he can break and become the number one. Also, a goalkeeper in a chance. So Treso bet me in number one position, Benifo were not so much impressed. Ntiano wasem da ho. And team story now Basa Mukwala in Fege Poite Bekono at the end of the season, it is 90% accurate. I'm giving it to you here. Now, Kotoko monitor goalkeepers because goalkeeper friend Danlad Ibrahim Sono so be stay with Kotoko no form by about 5% because as of now, for what I know, there's nothing like an official contract extension conversation between Asante Kotoko and Abrante friend Danlad Ibrahim. Therefore, it looks like the season and a contract is likely to leave. So Kotoko goalkeeping department is possible. Now, Kotoko may lose 2 of their goalkeepers at the end of the season. Ferry Kasaya can 1-year contract. Or signing 3 years. We're in the second season. Jaka 1 year. And Fatah will say the Sude Kotoko Nama and Future Stars where he's doing very, very well. Now, goalkeeper friend Emmanuel Kobi. Our Bofwa Kwatano. Perifueni Dinechi. I can tell you. Say Emmanuel Kobi. Our Bofwa Kwatano in Perifueni Dinechi. The height, the new recruitment structure of Asante Kotoko falling within, and he's a player that there's been a lot of monitoring around him. Once one back this particular transfer window or this season because Danlad or Poite or Hona said, yeah, Abrante friend Frederick Asai or you sign a young goalkeeper, no that's not a goalkeeper fit to be in the Premier League. But the likelihood that Kotoko lose 2 goalkeepers will create the room for a player like Emmanuel Kobi to come around. So Kotoko Monitano. Prince Kwabena or saying Prince Kwabena Owusu rather. Also look at grantee an interview saying he's coming to Kotoko. Baby any Gold Stars. As at now that I'm speaking to you, Prince Kwabena Owusu has not extended his contract with Baby any Gold Stars. I repeat. Come on, I say Onya extending a contract with Baby and Gold Stars. Is Coach Ogum still interested? I don't know. Was he a player that Kotoko Hiano, or is he a player that Kotoko Hiano? Possible, because in Fegebeko, Ziggy ain't pressé inti on stay, I say. And now Ebabeka, the only true and true striker Ebabeka, Ebia Kalu Atara. So yes, the contract ne be free agent. We look at what will happen. But Kotoko will be on the market for these two positions. Story near the Mami and Amadeba. Medim Komo and the Amami and Numere. For these two positions, a goalkeeper and a striker, positions as Asante Kotoko will be on the market. But Emmanuel Kobi has been targeted by the technical team or the setup of Asante Kotoko. Say, Danlad in the Puati Kwa, on bit my Hakofano, I'm an Ababisi Akai, I'm Asante Kotoko. I'm running tea, main can be brave, your channel party, I came in Yano. The bedroom. Some more stories in the Indra, into a trend, allow it to trend. We set the pace and we for others.